Hello, PAP agent here. So PAP agent, in full, PAP in full is personal autonomous PC agent. So basically, PAP is a personal agent for your PC, where PAP can help you with deep research. PAP can help you to monitor or save your workspace, and PAP can help you with playing media. That's the entertainment part of it. Okay, so in research, what PAP does is to navigate to your favorite browser and use your favorite AI to do the research. For instance, you want to do a research about topic like quantum computing, like you want to know what are the breakthroughs in quantum computing, the latest ones. Okay, you can just tell PAP, I need to know the latest quantum breakthrough. So use Grok, use ChatGPT, use Claude, or whatever AI like that you will decide. If it is Gemini, you can also tell it to use. So PAP will just navigate into your favorite browser, actually open. If it's Gemini, it will open with the account, okay, and use the current session to actually prompt that AI. So it will take all the results or the output or the responses from this AI, compare them, okay, then analyze them and come up with the final research for you. Then it will just create the file in your PC. If it's in your project or on your desktop, you will create it and save it for you. That's where you will find it. Now, in managing workspace, let's say for instance you are working on a project, or maybe the project is about, let's say, PAP agent. I was working on a PAP agent project, so I have opened code editor like Antigravity, VS Code, and also I have some terminals like Git or command prompt. Then I have some browsers like Chrome opened or Brave. So PAP will just go through your PC and find all the open apps and then save them under that workspace. So you can tell it, PAP save this workspace as PAP agent workshop, so it will save it like that. So the next time you want to work on that specific project, PAP will just open everything that you are using. If it was code editor and Gravity you are using, VS Code you are using, it will open it. If it was command prompt or Git or browser, GitHub in the browser, it will open it, so that you just now take over from, just continue from where you left. You don't need to again to start opening one application after the other, one file after the other, or one folder after the other. PAP will just do that for you. It saves everything under one workspace, and when it opens everything at once. Then about media, PAP can also play your favorite song or your video. If it's a movie, you just play it using any media player. Also, it can navigate to browser like Brave, open YouTube for you, and then search whatever music that you told it to play, or if it's a video or a movie you told it to play. So basically, PAP just help you to operate your PC without you struggling, okay, with Windows, struggling with the application, struggling with the files. PAP is there to help you do that all at once. Automated, autonomous. PAP works autonomously. Yes.
I can do.
Hello, PAP is at your
Just
service.
keep my feet on the ground.
Hello, Pop.
Desperately, loving you desperately. When you're not here with me, I get a little bit crazy. Constantly, think about
Hello.
you constantly.
Actually, my name is
Look
PAP
at what
Personal
you done
Autonomous
to
PC
me.
Agent,
I'm
not
just
Bob.
like a little baby.
How can I help you manage your computer, files, or browser tabs today?
I love you desperately.
Reduce volume to 20.
Will I laugh? Will I cry? Will I live? Will I die? It all depends upon you. It is dangerous, I know.
I have successfully reduced the system volume to 20. Let me know if you need anything else.
Just mute.
Loving you desperately. When you're not here with me, I get a little bit crazy.
Please unmute and then you are dismissed. Unmute and then you are dismissed.
The system has been unmuted. Let me know if you need any other media or volume adjustments.
When you're not here with me, I get a little bit crazy. Constantly.
You are dismissed now.
Look at what you done to me. I'm just like a little baby. Oh, I love you desperately.
Dismissed now.
Apologies if there was any confusion. I am here and ready for your next command. What would you like me to do on your PC?
Dismiss now.
Understood. Shutting down now.
Anybody where you wanna fight you, and I come there already know. I'll be right beside you, like the wall of Jericho. They don't know, they don't know, they don't know what's going on. Monagiso, 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 my baby. I'll be so much for you. I'm getting better in kung fu. You should know I got it, and you don't need to get me too. I'll be right beside you in anything that you do. If you ever need saving, I will be running to you, running to you. I'll be running to you, running to you. Anywhere that you go to, running to you. I'll be running to you, running to you. Anywhere that you go to.
When I'm not looking for trouble, it's cause I know that I got you. Wanting more best everybody, oh oh, and it's because of your control. I don't need time that I'm out of control. You never let go. Yeah, my baby, woo. See all the battles you'll be fighting, and I'll be right there with you. I may be small, but I'm mighty, and I will run up for it. And anybody waves at me, yeah, don't be you bullet at me, around. And if I ever need saving, I'll be running to you.
Running to you. I'll be running to you, running to you. Anywhere that you go to, running to you. I'll be running to you, running. There comes a time when we heed a certain call, when the world must come together as one. There are people dying. Oh, when it's time to lend a hand to life, the greatest gift of all. We can't go on pretending day by day that someone somewhere will soon gonna change. We are a part of God's great big family. And truth, you know love is all we need. So